India tested its emergency alert system today by sending a test flash on several smartphones. Users heard a loud beep on their phones along with an emergency alert severe flash. This is a sample testing message sent through cell broadcasting system by Department of Telecommunication, Government of India. Please ignore this message as no action is required from your end. This message has been sent to test Pan-India Emergency Alert System being implemented by National Disaster Management Authority. It aims to enhance public safety and provide timely alerts during emergencies, read the flash message. The message landed on all Android phones at 12:19 p.m. today. Such tests will be carried out from time to time in different regions to assess the efficiency and effectiveness of the emergency warning broadcast capabilities of mobile operators and cell broadcast systems. The cell broadcasting system by Department of Telecommunications said, the government is working with the National Disaster Management Authority to be better prepared for disasters like earthquakes, tsunamis, and flash floods. Phone users in India had received a similar test alerts on July 20th and August 17th.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.